welcome you all this year's Himig Pasko San Antonio. I know that everyone is excited to see and hear our performances for tonight.
So, without further ado, prepare yourselves as these children takes your breath away with their charm and music. Together, let us cheer for the...
That was a very much example of how dynamic our choir here in St. Anthony's Shrine right here at ST.
Yes. O di ba kayo na-impress na napakagandang rendition ni Danica ng When We Were Young ni Adele?
By Adele, and that was quite different. So kasi kapag sinabi ng church choirs, baka ina-expect lang talaga nila yung mga more songs that are used in the liturgy right here. But then right now, we have just witnessed a different genre of song. And that's why I think the Blue and Yellow Band deserves another round of applause again. So let's give them. So while our next performers are preparing, so let's check first who are here in our crowd for this evening, right? So sino ba dito yung mga regular Shriners natin? So kindly have love or kindly have raise of hands. Can I have them? So sino dito yung mga regular Tuesday goers? Ayun, sino sila? Asan? Sino yung mga nasa harap natin? Meron din ba dito mga mga other Franciscan churches? Ayun, meron din mga other Franciscan churches. So, I think our next performers are ready. So, our next performance for tonight, may natalo pa ba sa Pasko ng Pinas may arresting?
Siyempre wala.
Wala na talaga. Dahil dito, September pa lang, Pasko na. So yung mga nakita po pala natin mga nagtangkal ngayon ay mga kabataan na naglilingkod sa St. Anthony's Shrine mula sa iba't ibang mga ministries. Merong mga galing sa altar servers.
Merong galing sa choir.
Ayan. At by the way, Kuya Resty, ngayon, kasama ngayong araw na ito sa celebrate ng Archdiocese ng Manila ang pag-welcome sa ating Year of the Youth.
Siyempre dahil Year of the Youth, meron din tayong Filipino Youth in Mission na may team na Filipino Youth in Mission, Developed, Gifted, at saka Empowered. So hindi ba kayo excited dahil yung mga kabataang Pinoy? Kasi ang 2019 ay binibigay ng Archdiocese ng Manila para i-celebrate naman ang Year of the Youth.
Ayan, so I think mukhang ready na din yung mga susunod natin mga magtatangkal sa gabi ito. So let us not keep our audiences waiting. So to welcome again back on stage, the St. Anne, we have it